The MMI Navigation system on your Audi TT can adapt to your preferences, allowing you to enter destination information in the way that suits you best. Entering a destination is easy. With the vehicle parked, begin by toggling the navigation function switch from the map to the destination entry display. You can use the touchpad to write in numbers or letters. Free text search lets you search for a destination without a specific address. For example, you can enter Washington Monument or Hoover Dam, and it will bring up destination options matching your search. For a specific address, enter the street address first. Wait for the system to repeat each entry before proceeding to the next character.
5, 0.
To enter a space, swipe to the right. To delete, swipe to the left. If you prefer, you can use the speller to select numbers, letters, and characters from a list. Shifting the control knob forward will allow access to the speller function. Then turn the knob to the desired number or letter and press the knob to select and move on to the next. To close the speller, shift the knob backward. As you complete the address, a list of destinations will populate, with closest addresses displayed first. You can either scroll through the available addresses or continue entering until the address you want to set is shown on the display. Turn the control knob to the desired address and press to select. Then select Start Route Guidance, and the route will be calculated and the map with route guidance will be displayed. You can change these settings by pressing the right control button and choosing Route Criteria. Change the options to suit your navigation needs. Also in the Options menu, you can choose navigation settings to show alternative routes. This will calculate 3 route options, displaying the most direct route first. Each is color-coded to correspond to its map route on the display. The options will show you the mileage and estimated time of arrival. Use the control knob to move through the 3 selections to see each map route and to select your desired route. That route will now turn blue on the display, indicating it is the active route, and route guidance will begin. Your MMI is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. If you need more information on its operation, please see your owner's manual or contact your Audi brand specialist.